Hey everyone, do you like pancakes? Today I want to show you how to make North African pancakes called Korsa or Baghrir. Bring a bowl and pour 3 cups thin semolina, 1 tablespoon of yeast, half a teaspoon of salt, put it aside, far from the yeast, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Bring warm water and pour 4 cups of warm water. Make sure it's not hot, it's just warm. See, 4 cups. Now mix with the whisk, just slowly, and mix it well. See, the way I'm doing it right now. See how it is? Now bring the hand mixer. Just give it 1 minute, up and down, mix it up and down, back and forth, and pour 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Mix it again until you see bubbles. See on the surface, there are bubbles. See, I'll show you here. There are bubbles. Now put it aside for a minute or two, just to give you time to prepare your frying pan, and just put it in medium heat, and do what I'm doing right now. See, shake it until you see those eyes popping up. That's the Korsa or Baghrir. This is North African style. As it cooks, watch the surface. It has to be clear from the white spots. Toward the end, cover it for a few seconds to speed up this process. Just pick it up with the spatula. See how it is? Delicious, huh? Look at those eyes. Very nice, puffy. And pour another scoop. And just shake it and wait, like I said in the beginning. See how it is? Very nice, you can see through it. See? Cooks even. That's how it is. They call it Korsa or Baghrir. I repeat again. Now you bring a bowl with half a cup of honey and 1 stick of butter. Heat it up in the microwave for 20 seconds until the butter melts, and mix it all together and apply it on each korsa. Now apply generously on each korsa, and depend on the person how sweet he wants or she wants, and or some people eat it with olive oil. Also, I like it with olive oil. Make sure apply it all on each korsa, so it tastes very nice. Just try it with the cold cup of milk. Now cut it into 4 pieces, or the way you like, and serve it hot. It is very delicious. Look at it. It's very soft. You won't regret. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your family and friends. Thank you very much. Let me know how you like it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Have a great day. Bye.